In this lesson, I want to share with you important elements to keep in mind for your role as a film director. I'll cover a range of responsibilities that fall under the important role of directing a film. Regardless of the size or scope of the film project that you're heading, the role of the film director stays the same. The film director is the glue that keeps all the departments together. And a common joke about film directing is that a film director spends 90% of their time listening to other departments, 9% worrying, and 1% directing the film. This joke has some reality to it, and keeping that in mind, it will also suggest how important it is for your role as a film director to really prepare as much ahead as you can, because when you are filming on set, a healthy degree of chaos will occur. That's the nature of the sport. Therefore, it goes without saying that the more you prepare, the better you can respond, even though if you don't use much of your preparation, because anything, again, can happen on a film set, but preparing will give you a plan to abandon. And even more importantly, the preparation phase, as you go through it, it will kind of level you up and increase your focus once you will get on set. Like the more you prepare, the more focused you will become.